Good evening, Internet. I'm your host, RJ Corwin. This is Hacking with RJ. Just, continuing on our vibe coding session. Uh-oh. And I'm gonna hit that island. And I hit that island. And I will press this comment button.
I see the seas as calm as a caffeinated squirrel, perfect for some chaos.
Is that a ship wheel or a medieval fidget spinner? Spin it to win it.
Yeah. Definitely a medieval fidget spinner. Yeah, so it worked just straight vibe coding, letting GPT-5 do all this. Gotta fix some holes here. I'm gonna turn on, so I added manual versus interval mode. I'll let it rock interval mode. I just asked it to do an option to turn off screen share. Oh no, I asked it to do the mini mode. This one right here. I wanted to do like a one column layout.
Place trinket, more like place slow than dreams. Just patch a hole already.
I did. Thanks, viewer, too. These handy dandy voice settings, so you can select from all the available voices on your computer. Rockin' an Aussie voice and
the legendary plan, essential for both repairs and dramatic exits.
Place trinket, sounds like a fancy way to say please fix the boat.
nope, it's not that. Alright, this is dangerous.
Looks like the island's sweet
Oh.
safety drains. Someone called the flaming coconut brigade.
That sail's regular action. The navigator's way, straight into chaos.
And I'm gonna hit it again. It could be worse. Alright, I need to reload and see what our new mode is. Brace for what? I'm reloading. Oh! Volcano's blowing up. Boat's looking real good. I may just have to let this one sink. I wanted to check. What was our result? Mini mode. Boom. Let's try it out. Share. Small. Yeah. Now I can rock these side by side. I actually want... I was kind of thinking of making it even minier. Oh, actually, I just need to do this turn off UI part. Or turn off screen share. Because I want to show my game window instead of having it displayed in here. But it does... Let's let it roll for a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna commit that. Mark this off. Nope. Thanks. Let's work on do number 2. Let's see what it's like to turn off the screen share. Hello, boat. Oh, what a nice. Let's see what the AIs have to say about that. Yes! Nature's way of saying I might need a new boat. Fire. So, all of this stuff is really big and could be hidden away. I like the expandable I asked it to do for the voice settings. Yeah. Who needs marshmallows when you have flaming sails? It'd be funny if it were white sails, right? That's where the joke is. Alright. I bet you're almost done with our turn off screen button. Error calling apply a patch. I've seen that a few times. I wonder if that's the model failing to call the tool correctly, or if that's some kind of integration issue. Having to do more with cursor. But let's hard refresh. Share. Oh, I see that there's a checkbox now. I'm just darkness now. Hide preview. Doesn't work. Alright. Let's tell it doesn't work. I had an issue earlier when implementing the voice settings where it didn't seem like it was working. I kept telling it it wasn't working. Then it's like, try hard refresh. It might have been browser cache. Maybe it like didn't work. I told it to fix it. It fixed it. And then I didn't see it for a few turns. Hide, preview, checkbox. Does nothing.
The classic pirate dilemma. Fix the ship or admire the view.
Looks like they're about to patch the ship with a plank and a prayer.
Yep. I mean, to be fair, my ship does not look healthy. But it has 100% health. That is just how it looks. There's an option to cosmetically repair.
Tropical getaway with a side of shipwreck.
Plank in hand, optimism in heart. That ship's about to get some questionable TLC.
I'm gonna turn this to 60 seconds. We're getting enough commentary. All right, hard refresh. You can do it. GPT-5. High preview. Woo! And it just, yeah, okay. So the canvas goes away. That's painting, but the div is there. I really wanted the theater to hide. Maybe that's the way to put it. Close. but I want the whole theater to hide. It's still really big.
The classic pirate dilemma, maple margarita, choose wisely.
That ship's flag says adventure, or maybe free snacks, hard to tell.
I hear Vulcan. I need to get the heck out of here. Or otherwise this is just gonna be a video of me getting my boat blown up over and over again. North probably. Yeah, I'm headed north, okay. Alright. Let's give it another try. Yeah, okay. Share game window, movie. And boom, boom, boom. Better. And mini mode. Oh, it was in mini mode, right, okay. Cached that. Local storage for the win. Mini mode. I kind of just like mini mode forever, maybe. So now, theoretically, I could do something like this. Just have my game window. And if it seems confusing, it looks like QuickTime is my game window because I'm on a Steam Deck.
Nothing like a peaceful day of piracy. Hope they kept the rhyme.
Is that compass pointing to adventure or watermelon test?
Those jokes were weak sauce. I have a Steam Deck that is plugged into a capture card. Frame rate's not great. Well, I guess the frame rate's not like that great on the Steam Deck either, because it's rocking 30. But sending it through the capture card makes it even worse. For me.
Ahoy, steering straight into the abyss. Hope they call floaties.
That compass says enter no, but the waves say yes.
Wait, what? That compass says N for nope, but the waves say yes, please. I don't know if I get that one. Oh, another volcano, great. Implement screen hiding. Oh, what was I thinking? I'm avoiding this last one, which is going to be like complicated refactor for it. Trying to do small wins for GPT-5 right now.
Horizon. Spirits or is it just dramatic tension?
That compass is holding on for dear life. North, south, or just good luck.
definitely gonna have to try some different models. 2.2. When in mini mode. The UI at the top takes a lot of screen real estate. Maybe collapse it. Into a drawer. Your call. Be creative. Sweet. Let's do to do 2.2. Oh, I'm pointing myself off the map. I need to go north, west.
Coastline shores. Sounds like a vacation spot for the undead.
Those cannons are ready, or is this just aggressive sightseeing?
This is aggressive sightseeing. I think that's apt. An apt description. It's kind of like the 90s, everything's aggressive. And if it's aggressive, it's cool. Alright, what will it come up with? You know, I think we might even want to do something fun, like give a theme picker. Have GPT-5 come up with a bunch of themes, like rainbow unicorn theme? Why not? That might be my default.
Nothing's on sale.
Looks like a hot spot for parties, or just hot in general.
Yeah, there's no air conditioning in this game. I hate to break it to you guys. It's hot everywhere. Alright. Looks like GPT-5's done. Hard refresh. Share. I don't see collapse stuff. What does it say? Collapsible top controls for mini mode. Added a controls button in the header that toggles the visibility. Controls. Oh, nice. That's better, yeah. That works nicely, but controls? Not obvious what that does. Please iterate.
Emergency. Captain, are we lost, or is this just freestyle loading?
Looks like they're navigating with the compass. Old school style, or just lost with flair.
It looks like I'm heading into the middle of nowhere. And that is true. Yep. Still not headed northwest. need to do a hard west. Hello, moon.
Ahoy, the mighty captain steers towards adventure, or maybe just the nearest sea of ground.
Yes.
That grip, they're ready to conquer the seas or at least not crash into a rock.
Snack bar, please. Share. Let me move this out of the way for y'all. I guess this button. I mean, hide toolbar is better than what it was before. Boom. Definitely more obvious when collapsed. Yeah, this, you know, whatever. Sure. I earned rewards. If only they knew what I was doing. I don't think they would. Alright, I think I can start heading northwest. What next?
The classic pirate steering wheel. What they know port from started.
Looks like they're navigating to the nearest crafting encounter. Adventure awaits.
One thing that I don't dig is I think, let's see, if I force it to do a bunch.
They are sailing straight into a storm. Extra points for bravery or just bad navigation.
I have to scroll down to see.
Hope they convince their way out.
That wave is the size of a small
I
mountain.
have to see the what the message is.
Like that on the wheel, they're ready to tame the ocean or public.
That moonlit sea is romantic. If you enjoy the
Okay, but let's commit this. This is good for 2.2. Seriously? I'm navigating off the map, that's why it's turning red. Oh, yeah, I didn't go west enough. Creepy music. And my boat's going to sink again. Get add. Get commit. What did we just do? We mini mode. Bubble chat actually mini mode. Goodbye boat. Oh. Collapsible top bar in mini mode. Point 3. At some point, there is enough messages. I have to scroll down to see them. They should. The esteemed viewers chat div should always be independently scrolled to the bottom when a message comes in. .3 time. Please. What am I supposed to swim? Alright. Enough of that. Creepy music. Comment, please.
The pirate's favorite hangout, a deserted island with a trusty ship.
Perfect spot for a picnic. Just watch out for the sand in your treasure chest.
Okay. Alright, let's give it a hard refresh. And comment. So we're looking for this to be scrolled to the bottom, down hither. Must be long comments. Or I ran out of OpenAI credits. No? Could have broken something. Check console. Oh. Oh no, that's a favicon stupid thing. Let's give it another try. Share. And comment.
The pirate life. Nothing like a ship and some palm trees. I can almost smell the sea salt.
Looks like they're about to raid the local coconut stand. Watch out for splinters.
Mm-hmm. Comment.
Looks like someone parked the ship and forgot where they left it. Classic pirate move.
Don't think it's working.
Hidden treasure or sand in your boots. Either way, adventure awaits.
Try again. Yeah, so we're still at the top.
The ship's still afloat.
Seeing the first message.
In the pirate world,
The system message.
right?
Yeah, though it looks like it's planning a stealthy escape. Keep an eye on those palm trees.
The Steam viewers chat now stays pinned to the bottom whenever there's a new message arrives. Implementation, append line. Already scrolled to the bottom. Added a scroll to log to bottom utility. Call it after each append. If you want it to auto scroll when you resize the window or toggle menu no stage, I can add listeners. Nope, we don't need to do that yet. We just need this to work. Didn't work. I think we want the div for esteemed viewers to be independently scrollable. Give it another try. Comment.
The the majestic side of the ship.
Oof.
Looks like it could use a fresh coat of paint.
Or maybe a lifeguard. That wear and tear is suspiciously close to water level.
Let's give it a screenshot, eh? Looks rough now. See screenshot. Oh, shark's taking a nibble. Still not where I want to be. West. I don't really like... it's cool this game has other areas, but I really just like hanging out in the blue sky area, pretending I'm on vacation. Alright. Let's give it another shot. GPT-5 finished. Share. Make it comments. Hey, blue skies.
Emergency. Hope they have extra sunscreen in demand.
With that compass, there is a fine pressure below water.
Whoa, that's a lot of cannons for a peaceful cruise.
With that sail, they'll reach their destination in style or chaos.
Nice view. Hope they remember which day is left and which is Endless Ocean.
Still not. So, still have to scroll down to see the bottom of the chat. This needs to be like a dashboard where we never scroll the parent window. Only smaller divs. Giving it one more shot. I wonder if just having it come up with a whole new template, just starting over, okay, good functionality, let's do an alternative HTML and JavaScript file. Start from scratch, don't try to fix this one. It might be able to one-shot a much better implementation. Alright, it thinks it's done. Reload. Share.
Emergency. Looks like someone's got a nice plank view. Hope they are not walking it.
Steering wheel's ready, but who's steering? Oh, it's not a
A ship deck and a fine one at that. But where are the pilots?
It's working. The problem is that voice settings thing is in the way. I think we just need to shove all of the settings in a drawer. is the voice settings drawer is overlaying the last message. Let's consolidate that drawer to the top with as many other, oops, I hit a rock, buttons as we can. It's our new settings drawer. Sorry, ship. Yeah, now I'm headed back towards the Devil's Roar. I would like to not do that. I will take... I just need to get to an island. Will the boat make it? Model made, no changes to the file. I've seen this a lot tonight. And the boat didn't make it. Looking for a mermaid. Oh, nice. Piggy Island. A real place. I've been to Piggy Island. Off of the island of Eleuthera, it is. Alright, it thinks it's done. Hard refresh. Oof. It's getting weird. Let's expand. Alright, the drawer thing. If only it could see. I will... Is this the button right here? Okay, let's put all buttons in the drawer. It's the button drawer. We'll even give it an emoji. The button emoji will be the button to open, close. In the meantime, More. Let's do some fishing. I don't know why my volume or my game audio is delayed. I think OBS needs a restart. Alright, thinks it's done. Yes. Cool. I can't see the button to open it. Looks like this. Actually, you know what? Let's see. I'll copy this before it goes away. Making it wider.
Viewer 2, sarcasm thrusters online. Viewer 2, sarcasm thrusters online.
I'm not even sharing anything and it's going. That's a bug. Oh, did I hit the comment button maybe? I forced it to. What do you see in the dark blackness of nothing? Something thrusters online? Huh. You know what? And this seems to be broken too. Oof. Might have to back up a few. If it doesn't get it after this, we're reverting. Don't really use that much in my day job, but yeah, when vibe coding, that's pretty clutch. Feature that cursor has. All right, let's try it. Maybe you got it right. I can see it now. It doesn't open. One more try. Cool. I can see the button now, but clicking it does nothing. Try clicking now, it says. Yes! Solid. Collapse button here. Boom, boom, boom. That's pretty good. Let's try the full thing. All right, now collapse. Let's get some commentary here. Oh yeah, I see the system message is back. Let's make this. Yeah, the 40-minute editing of this is kind of wonky. Oh, we're in manual mode? I'm just waiting for it. Yes.
The art of fishing on a deserted island. So peaceful, yet pointless.
Looks like a perfect night to catch. Absolutely nothing. Classic.
Let's make it go faster. So, some jank. 5 seconds. I don't know if this refresh, like, if it updates that setting automatically.
The thrill of casting into the void. Is it fishing or just existential?
Cool, it's working though.
Therapy?
With that cast, they might just catch a cold before a fish.
Night fishing. Perfect for catching a nap.
In a battle of wits with a fish, who will blink first? My name's on the fish.
Ahoy, a fishing rod and no fish inside. It's a pirate's life.
Oh, yeah.
Minus the
I gotta
treasure.
turn this
Looks like they're casting for compliments.
mute. And blow this out back to 60 seconds. Collapse. Alright. That worked. And bonus. Refactor all buttons settings into a drawer. Cool. All right, the one. I mean, if I rock it right there, it's kind of perfect. Well, there's a little bit of this area, blank space here. Yeah, I'm not gonna get too nitpicky on that. And the fact that this is not, gosh, what's the word? Responsive. Would be nice. But it lays out so nicely in full screen. I kind of don't care. Pretty good for vibed. Oh, I have them muted, so we're just getting the messages. Looks like they're fishing for compliments again. I'd suggest a net. The other big to do that I'm thinking about doing is implement text to speech from outside provider like OpenAI, Whisper. So then it won't sound so robotic. But I kind of like that. It's kind of funny that it sounds robotic. But the joke maybe the jokes would be funnier if it had some AI to deliver the timing a little better. Some of the jokes land poorly because the text to speech in the browser just murders it. Well, I think that's all for my little chill vibe coding session. Thanks for watching. I'm RJ. Have a nice day. And a good sleep. I'm going to bed.